Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can keep your images sharp and high quality in Webflow, so let's get started. When building a website, image quality can make or break your design. Blurry or distorted graphics can ruin the look of your site, especially after resizing or compressing images. But don't worry, there are a few simple ways to prevent this. First, always start with high-resolution images. If your original file is too small, it'll look pixelated when stretched. High-quality images give Webflow's optimization tools more pixel data to work with, helping your visuals stay crisp even after resizing. JPEGs are great for smaller sizes, but can lose detail with compression. PNGs keep sharper details, but have bigger file sizes. For the best balance, try WebPit offers small file sizes without losing clarity. And if you're using logos or icons, SVG is the best option because it scales perfectly to any size without distortion. Third, pay attention to resizing and cropping. If you just need to focus on part of the image, crop instead of resizing. Cropping keeps your pixels intact, while resizing can stretch them. If resizing is necessary, make sure you maintain the image's aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Fourth, use Webflow's built-in optimization features. Webflow automatically compresses and resizes your images for faster load times. It also serves different image sizes depending on the user's device, so your site loads fast while keeping everything clear and sharp. Fifth, test your site on different devices. Use Webflow's responsive design previews to check and adjust your image sizes for every breakpoint. By following these tips, you can make sure your visuals look amazing, load fast, and enhance your site's overall design. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.